Dr. Sonia, we've all heard about hair transplants, but here at Elite MD, you do it differently. You have the Elite Hair Graft. So tell me about that.
Yes, Melissa, we no longer have to do the traditional technique where we have to take a strip of hair at the back of the scalp, cut it up, and then implant it here. It left an unsightly linear scar and not a very good success rate. So here at Elite MD, we do the Elite Hair Graft procedure. We actually section each hair follicle and transplant in the areas of interest with excellent success rates and excellent take rates. And the best part, it's very natural. It's using your very own hair. It's done right in the office, so there's no stitches, no staples, no unsightly linear scar. A very simple procedure. Our family have had it done, our staff have had it done, our own doctors have had it done.
Wow. Okay. And can you tell me a little bit though about the process and the pain that could be associated?
You know, the best part about this is that there's minimal downtime and minimal discomfort. You know, my men are a little more challenging when it comes to the pain level, but you know what? They've all done amazingly well, and they get in with some local anesthesia and they're totally comfortable. They're taking a nap, they're eating lunch, they're they're resting, they're watching a movie. So it's a very simple process for even my men patients.
Great. And this is something that Patrick has actually gone through. So Patrick, tell us about your experience, because you have quite a journey before you came here to Elite MD.
Right. I retired and I had time on my hands, and I started looking at myself and I was unhappy. So I thought I would get hair replacement. I thought it would help me feel better. I had two procedures. The first procedure failed, so I decided I'd give it one more shot. The second procedure caused all kinds of problems. I had infection in my back where they had stapled it.
Oh my gosh.
Because they take a strip out of the back of your head and they staple it back together. So for almost a year I had migraines because of that. So I was pretty much against having any more hair transplants or anything like that. But my mom watches a lot of TV and she sees Dr. Sonia in the morning, and she said, she seems really nice, you should go give that woman a try. So I came over here and I really liked the staff. I came to one of their meetings, and after that I scheduled a procedure, and in the middle of the procedure it's kind of cool because we were able to eat lunch. The pain was very minimal.
Wow.
And when I went home I had 2 aspirins that night, 1 the next day, and pain medicine, that was it. And then that was in May, and that's a picture of how I came in, and that was pretty sad. I had spent a lot of money on that, and there's not much you can do. You can't do a comb over. And that's me today.
Wow.
And I'm very, very happy.
Yeah, that's quite a difference.
Yeah.
And
yeah.
very natural.
Yes.
Well, extremely natural.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
And you had mentioned that you really had a great experience going through the whole process as well. You said
I did.
there's like a family here.
Yeah, well, everything was explained. When I went to the other office, it was more of a high sales pitch. It was almost like if you were buying a new car. You were going to be in the door and out the door and wrapped up. So I really didn't know what I was in for. When I came here, they actually spent a lot of time explaining the procedure for me.
And how do you feel today, post-procedure?
Love it. Happy and bubbly. No, words don't explain how you feel when you get up and you look in the mirror and it's like, ooh. It makes a big difference. Because once I retired, I had myself just to be with. My wife would go to work and I started getting depressed. And I had spent a lot of money having that done, and it was terrible. It was actually worse afterwards than it was previous, because each time I had it done, it killed a little more hair behind it. The trauma was terrible, which I didn't know. They didn't explain to me that the hair behind it, after the follicles were replaced, the trauma would kill it. So that's when I went back for the second procedure. Now I had a gap. I had trees in the front, and a gap in the back.
Well, you look fantastic.
Thank you.
You look absolutely fantastic.
Thank you.
And Dr. Sonia, you actually have a center here, a training center, right?
Absolutely. You know, patients are really our family. They're the heartbeat of our practice. And the other part of what we do and what we really enjoy doing is training other doctors from all over the world. Other medical professionals come here to, learn about some of the more innovative, more advanced techniques that we do, and we're proud to be able to, teach our colleagues about that. So we really take a lot of pride in research and education. And we've seen patients from all over the world, from 48 countries, 6 continents. We were voted #1 group aesthetic practice in the country. So we're very fortunate and very proud, and really it's the heartbeat of our practice has been our patients.
That's right.
And where can people go so they can learn more about Elite MD and all the amazing procedures that you offer?
There's a lot of great resources and educational information that is found on elitemdspa.com.
Make sure to take advantage of this special offer. The first 50 viewers to call Elite MD at 916-943-4911 will receive 10% off their Elite Hair Graft procedure. This special offer is only available for a limited time, so please call now.